What's good, family? Welcome back to another video. This one is more so for documenting purposes. This is something that I don't even know why I'm doing it. Nobody asked me to do it. I kind of just took it on myself. But Fern has aligners that she has to wear like at night to keep her teeth straight. And the bottom ones, they broke. So it's like one piece in the back is like split from the actual piece in the front. Now, could spend $600 to get some new ones, but we kind of just been chilling and sitting on it. Like, I mean, the ones that she got work, and yeah, it's like she's just been dealing with it. But at the same time, why not have some fun? So what I did, I went ahead and ordered everything that I need to make her some aligners. Now, I know I'm not a dentist or orthodontist or whoever makes aligners. I'm not that person. But I am Sherrod, and I feel like I can do anything that I put my mind to. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this process and also kind of document it, just because I'm sure there's some people out there that can't afford $600 to replace their aligners. And this is like, I guess, a DIY or at-home solution. It's pretty much the same exact process that the actual dentist or orthodontist uses. I did some research on it. So let me show you what we gotta use. All right, so right here, this is a machine. It heats these little vinyl sheets, which is the plastic. It heats these up. And then there's also a lever here. And then you put the mold right here. And then there's a suction. Yeah, it's like a whole thing, but we're about to figure it out. We're about to try it. They say I need to be in a well-ventilated area, so I'm not gonna do it in the house. I'm gonna do it in the garage. So let me go ahead and take this stuff outside to the garage real quick. All right, so I went ahead and got a light, and I had to get my tripod just because I can't do this and that at the same time. But we doing it. We about to do it. So let me go ahead and put this on a tripod. I'm a little nervous. I ain't even gonna lie to you, but I mean, it is what it is. We gonna try it and see how it comes out. I mean, that's all you can do. Success or failure, either way, I bought this stuff on Amazon, so it's gonna go back whether we succeed or fail. So, all right, so in the video, I saw him have on gloves, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do the same thing. Glove up, you know what I'm saying? And I've already plugged the machine into the wall. Next thing I gotta do is just, hey man, it's hot. It is hot out here. All right, so the next thing I've gotta do is take the film off of both sides of this and then insert it into here. So let's go ahead and do that. Bet, now this joint clear, all right? All right, we halfway there, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and, anyway, we still doing it because, yeah. All right. So we got the clear film inside of, I don't even know what to call this thing, but it's in there. It is in there, it's definitely in there. She already has the molds from her teeth. And this is, yeah, the doctor gave these to the orthodontist, or the dentist gave these to her after she finished her treatment. So these should be the proper molds for the same retainers that she has right now. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this in the bottom of the tray. Now the machine did come with like a bunch of little beads, and I don't know if it's, I really don't know if that's necessary, but at the same time, I've seen people use them. I've seen people not use them. I'm not gonna use it because this is my first time doing this, but yeah, I think I'm ready. I am so nervous. I'm so nervous about this, but whatever, here we go. We doing it, and let's heat it up. So the heat button is on, and we got We got it heating up. And based on the videos that I've looked at, you just heat it up until the film starts to droop a little bit. And after it starts to droop, turn the heat off, pull the lever so that it comes down, and then turn the vacuum on. Seems simple enough. We're just waiting for it to heat up.
Baby.
Yes.
Do you know what you're doing?
No, of course I don't know what I'm doing. I ain't no doctor, no orthodontist, no dentist. But at the same time, I'm a firm believer in you miss 100% of the shots that you don't take. And this is a shot that I'm willing to take. It's 600 versus 140 something, and I bought it on Amazon, so. I can be a lab tech. I mean, I don't know if I would do that for a profession, but I can at least be a lab tech for a day. Yeah, I do see a little smoke, and I see it starting to bubble a little bit. Yeah, she melting. And I see it starting to droop just a little bit. All right, here we go. She drooping. And this is the part where I'm gonna turn the heat off, turn the vacuum on. Yo, it looks like we have a retainer. All right, I don't know if y'all can see, but to me, this looked like a retainer. Now, Fern asked a really good question. How long are you supposed to let it vacuum? And if I'm being honest with you, I have no idea. But from the videos that I looked at, they ain't let it go too long. And let's go. We have a cast of a retainer. Hey, this is kind of crazy. This is what doctors get paid. I mean, didn't orthodontists get paid to do? This is some cool stuff. All right, I'm gonna unplug this just because we don't want no fire to happen. But this is looking promising, y'all. This is looking very promising. All right, so next, I'm gonna just let this chill for a little bit. But we gotta take some scissors and like cut some gaps in here so we can start to release the mold from this plastic. But look at it, y'all. The details are, I don't know, y'all can't see the details like I can see the details, but it's looking pretty good. This is looking pretty good. All right, y'all, we had to come into the house with it, but as you can see. What?
They interrupted you, huh?
She's talking about making the garage.
How you make retainers? Can you make me one?
I'm about to, yeah, y'all ain't about to let me see. Oh my God, shut up. So, y'all, we had to come in the house because it's way too hot. Mimi already asking me why was my skin glowing. I was in the garage. But, so we have the mold, or we have the copy of Nisha's teeth right here. It looks like it did well. I need to make some cuts inside of this so I can release the mold from the plastic. And I'm gonna use this to kind of like get around the edges just so I can like pry it out. But first I need to find, you got some small scissors, baby? All right, for right now, I'm gonna just use these, but LaDon's going to get some bigger ones. So I'm just taking it, cutting around.
You mean to say LaDon going to get some smaller ones? She said LaDon going to get some bigger ones.
Oh yeah. So LaDon going to get us some smaller scissors. I found the big scissors, but LaDon got us some small scissors because I cut the mold out, but I need to be able to like get around these smaller areas. First, I'm gonna go ahead and do like a little stress cut in the middle though, just because I saw somebody do this. And that kind of made it easier to release it from the mold too. This is what I was looking for, just curved scissors. Oh, and they cut good. I'm so nervous and excited. I'm literally so nervous.
You want to get new gloves?
Oh yeah, because I'm busting out this.
Maybe get to try a new glove.
There we go. There we go. All right, so got the mold out and released it from here. Now I'm just gonna cut around and see how we do. All right, y'all. So basically, this is almost. Hold on, I can't get my focus right.
Put your new glove on.
She makes me put a new glove on. Basically, this is a retainer. I mean, if you if you look at her current retainer, I mean, it's pretty much the same thing, but I'm gonna use this as like a base just to see how low they cut it. And they cut it, it's not even, they cut through your gums actually on your retainer.
Yeah.
It's down just a little bit. And then the back is more, they curved it out. All right, so the back is curved out right here. So I'm gonna try to get that little curve, and then they pretty much just shave the entire top, like down past the gums a little bit, right there at this little piece. So, all right, let's see. So right now I'm just cutting across the gum line. Yo, this legit looks like a retainer. I want you to put it in your mouth, but then I don't because it's still got like this rough edge. You want me to?
Let me see.
Shit,
Let me see. I'm gonna tell you. Oh, got a little rough edge.
That's what I'm saying.
A little rough edge.
A little rough edge, but that's it?
Little rough edge. I would say. Let me see the other one.
All right, don't mind her. She eating some chicken, y'all. So I'm gonna just focus on her hands.
Yes, this is good. Ooh. What is that?
You got nervous.
Yeah, this is good. This is honestly very, very close. You just need to rough out some of the edges, of course. I know that. And then, yeah, like honestly, it's actually really good. It's lower right here, which is what they did. And honestly, this part seems like it's a little lower, like right up in here too.
So I can take it down lower.
Yeah, but you might be able to do that with the Dremel too.
Okay.
As far as the thickness, I'm gonna say that you need something a little bit thicker, and I'm sure you can
so
feel.
thicker.
Yeah, because this is more so like
a tray versus the retainer.
almost like a tray, yes. And so this is a little bit thinner, but it's not like, I mean, this is, this is the thickness of that, and then this is seem like it's just a little bit thinner.
I wanted to go thicker. Like they got different sizes. Yeah, like they got.
And which one was this?
Different sizes. This is a 1.0. I wanted to do a 2.0.
Oh yeah, you definitely could have probably did it. I mean, because I feel like it could have been like, I don't know. It might be worth it to try both.
Both, yeah.
Like a 1.5 and a 2. I don't see it being a 3, but I can call my orthodontist and ask what thickness is my retainer, and then that way you don't have to worry about it. Yeah, they'll tell me like what thickness is my retainer. Because what if I wanted to go get it made by a lab? It would,
True.
I can call tomorrow, but I do think this would be this is a really good tray, honestly, too. Like I want you to. I'm gonna give you one of my trays upstairs so that way you can see what I'm saying. But yeah, this is actually really good, and I think that it would fit well as long as you cut this out. You see how this is kind of cut out a little lower,
yeah,
so that it doesn't, But I think you can get that with the Dremel too and kind of curve that in a little bit. But yeah, I think this is actually a really good replica.
All right, y'all. I got the oh, hold on.
I want to try it on.
You want to try it on?
Can you make one?
No. You got a mold of your teeth?
At the dentist?
All right, get them to give you. So I got the approval that it's almost there. We about to take this Dremel tool and get these sharp edges out and try to hollow this out a little bit, but let's see. All right, we back outside with it. I'm about to get this Dremel tool set up real quick so I can shave some of those edges off, and then I'll buff it out. I know y'all can't really see me, but so this is, I mean, y'all know what a Dremel tool look like. This is a Dremel tool. I'm gonna put this attachment on first, just so I can get within those edges, and then I'll use this one just to kind of, it's a polishing head. I'll use this polishing head to buff off the little burrs, I guess it's called, burrs, and then I'll use this head. This is gonna polish, this is gonna grind some of that stuff off. Turn the speed up just a little bit. So I went ahead and grinded some off. I don't know if that's enough. I don't know if it's enough, but all of this is a test anyway, because this is the first one, and if I get it perfect on the first try, then good for me. But if I don't, then it just is what it is. So right now I'm swapping the head on the Dremel tool, and like I said, this one is just a polishing one. It's gonna take away all these little like burrs and stuff. So let's see how this does. Okay, and I mean that pretty much took away all of it. Let's have her try it. Let's have her try it again. Danya over there killing mosquitoes while I'm out here making retainers. All right, so I went ahead. Hold on, gotta show you this. I went ahead and I did it. It looks smoother. I don't know. Hold on. Oh, okay. All right. All right. She was just going. I was about to say rinse it off.
Whatever you do,
That's true. It doesn't change.
It look a lot. Hold on. Hold on now.
Does it fit? Oh, it fit.
That Jane fit.
Sherrod made
It's the top and the
retainers?
bottom?
Just the bottom.
Oh.
Sherrod
Oh.
made retainers?
Oh.
Okay.
Do it feel normal?
it feels normal.
All right. Yeah, I'm ready for the feedback. Come
Gotta
on.
be thicker.
It's got to be thick. That's
Gotta
it.
be thicker because right now it just feels like there's nothing stopping it from. It should be
Popping
a
out.
little resistance when you take it out.
Okay.
It ain't gotta be a lot, but it needs to be resistance. But I also feel like,
It's sloppy.
I also feel like I wear my retainers all the time, and so you usually get a little bit of resistance when you haven't put them on.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I mean, at least my teeth haven't changed from the molds.
Yeah, that's a fact.
But it needs to be a little thicker because you need a little extra pressure. The thickness gives you a little bit more pressure, so it keeps them down.
On your teeth.
Still not bad. Better than This is good.
All right. So y'all heard it. She said that. Oh, look. When I put the camera like this, and then when she come behind me, y'all actually get to see how little she is.
You the goat. Bye.
Apparently, I'm the GOAT. I be making retainers, y'all. I be making retainers. But like she said, I gotta get some thicker material because that's a little bit thin. So I'm gonna try to reorder some thicker material, and then we're gonna try it again. I might not document that one. This one was just, I mean, it's the same process. It's just thicker material. So yeah, I probably won't document it. But but until next time, y'all. Peace.